Keyboard shortcuts. The first step to becoming a faster editor is mastering keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro. Let me walk you through some essential ones. First, we have the I and O keys. I'll press I right now to mark an in point at the beginning of this clip. And now I'll play forward a bit and press O to mark an out point. See how these points appear on my timeline? This lets us quickly select specific portions of clips for editing. Next are the J, K, and L keys for playback control. I'll press L to play forward. Notice how when I press L multiple times, the playback speed increases? Now I'll press K to pause. And now J to play backward. Just like with L, pressing J multiple times increases the rewind speed. The K key also acts as a modifier. If I hold K and press L, it plays in slow motion. Another essential shortcut is Ctrl plus K on Windows or Command plus K on Mac. This adds a cut at the playhead position. I'll position my playhead here and press Ctrl plus K to split this clip into two parts. This saves so much time compared to using the razor tool. Now let's talk about custom shortcuts. I'll go to Edit, then Keyboard Shortcuts, or Premiere Pro, then Keyboard Shortcuts on Mac. In this window, you can search for any command. Let's search for Ripple Delete since I use this frequently. I'll click on the shortcut field and assign Shift plus Delete as my custom shortcut. Now I can quickly remove clips and close the gap in my timeline by selecting a clip and pressing Shift plus Delete. Creating custom shortcuts for your most used commands will dramatically speed up your editing.